Mr. MVP Chog Moral dumakdak. Napaturo pa nga ito sa dating PBA star na si Dondon Hontiveros. Moral dinakdak! Tara, panoorin natin ang buong laro ni Mr. MVP. Chog Moral. Strike, pinabitin short. Pass to Moral, inside pass kay Bar. Chog Moral will up. No look pass to Moral. Will pass. Poke away. Recover. Spins. No look pass to Volano. Moral. Crossover move. Step 5. Oh, binabitin. Face to face shot. To Moral. Attack spin. Nakalusot. Pinasa sa labas. Volano top shot. That's good. The friendly roll. Moral pinasa kay Guevara. The connection. Philippines Youth Project Moral with the leader. Chris Greenberg. Fire sa triple. Bang! 3 points. Ilyas Casrañeses cross. Moral will fire a 3. Bang! 3 points. Kicks out Mundas. Corner, fire sa 3. Bang! Other 3 for Moral. Pass to Moral. No look pass inside ang gap. Pakalupit na pasa naman nun. From Moral. Crossover move. Domingo side, step to Chog Moral. Pinabitin ba? Oh, Talse. Good player. Yung bantay, 4. Stolen by Moral. Morales. What a move, Moral. What? Attacks. Natapikan. Stolen pass break ngayon. Moral. Stop. Fire sa 3. Bang! 3 points na padasal. Iber sa gitna. Guevara to Moral. Mundas for 3. Off the target, rebound by Moral, crossover. Fades away, 1 foot shot. Bullseye! Grabe ka, Moral. Rebound, put back, wala pa rin. Rebound ni Moral. Bounce pass, Ilyas Cas, lays it up, easy bucket from Moral. Rebound Rañeses, pass break kay Moral. Dinakdak! Oh, stolen again. Moral. Lays up. Back to Moral. Attacks. Ang gandang pasa nun. Ang lupit ng pasa. Pinasa. Moral. No look pass again. Oh, sinausaw. From Moral. Back. Stolen by Moral. Chog Moral. At the top. Pass to the middle. Ilyas Cas for 3. Bang! 3 points. Ilyas Cas.